I'm walking to my first event of the day, which is the Tanya Taylor presentation, and a lot of her pieces are very like fun and floral, hence the outfit. And I'm like 20 minutes late, but since it's a presentation, you can kind of walk in at any time. It's between 10 and 11, so let's go. I grabbed these flowers thinking it would be fun, but now that I think about it, I don't really know what to do with them now that I'm out of the show. So I'm probably gonna give them to a stranger as a random act of kindness. I gave the flowers to this mom and her son, and he was so happy about them. He's like 4, so that's cute. Just got dropped off, and now we are walking to the Peter Doe show. It is an amazing venue. Oh, that's really nice. It was very hot with the heat like blasting in our face, but at least I'm getting a little bit of a tan. I got takeout and I'm gonna bum it in the hotel for the rest of the night. The one. Finished getting my nails done, and I especially love the thumb. I mean, the thumb was probably the easiest nail to be done because we did not do it. Yeah, I just went with this really basic pink color, and I always bring my own breathable nail polish when I do these things, and I still have to pray. This outdoor elevator is totally a vibe. This is my outfit. I had a Chanel bag, but she put it inside this tote because I have too many things. Look who's here. Hey Suzi, you'd be looking so good.
I know.
Especially coming off of that flight. Don't even want to mention the flight. And then you just change into a skirt. Summer enjoying her coffee. Here's the outfit. I got her mask slanted. I've been trying to talk, but I really can't because there's this huge pimple on my forehead, and it didn't. Yeah. Oh, much better. Okay. Hi everyone. We are headed to the Philipp Plein presentation right now. Suzi just landed like 2 hours ago. Yeah. Ready to go. We're kind of matching too. Very like fall plaid vibes. This pink outfit, I'm really loving the wearing. Trash. And trash. Right there. She's calling a restaurant to see if they're open. Sorry, it's not even ringing. I guess we should just show up. I'm just kidding. I'm not. Should we walk 8 minutes and be rejected for the restaurant?
Oh wait, there's reservations.
Thank you. I'm sitting at the most expensive restaurant in New York. Is that the TikTok? Sunglasses?
Where did I put them?
Weren't they? You were literally wearing them.
I know. They're gone.
Okay, and then you used the bathroom. You used the bathroom twice.
The bathroom.
Which one?
The upstairs. The other one. They're $5.
Are you not gonna get them?
I will, but
Lazy butt. Oh, we're thinking about signing up for one of the gym classes they have here tomorrow, and we're gonna probably go buy some workout clothes because Suzi didn't bring any.
Right
There's a bunch of stores in this mall right now, so we're gonna probably go do that. I buy Hamza these 2 pens from Muji as a gift. So sweet of me. He really loves these pens, and I like them too. And we don't have Muji in Pittsburgh, so yeah, very thoughtful of me.
Wow.
Looking for workout clothes for our class that's in a few hours. Wrong store, Suzi. So here we are, we're entering our room. We have the bathroom on the left with all these amazing modern finishes. And then here is the main bedroom. Yeah, I am pretty excited about this. This really cool girl gave me these shoes one time.
Yeah, and she's tying them for you.
Oh my god, she's tying them for me? Thanks, you're the best sister ever. There.
Yeah, heels.
You find anything? Back to the hotel because we have a class at 6:15 and it is like 5:40, so we'll see if we can make it in time. Literally rushing so much. Just finished the most epic dance class at the dance cardio. Is it showing up on camera? That's insane. What day of the month is it?
I don't know.
Wait, September 21 is the...
It's September 9th. I'm getting the breakfast sandwich and wait, I put a side of turkey bacon, but I already have chicken sausage.
We're opening up the in-room dining that came in, and there's your bacon.
Turkey bacon.
This is actually really heavy. Okay, pull down the bag. Pull down the bag. Ooh, this is so cool.
Oh, my sandwich.
Oh, okay. I wonder what's in the next layer. Oh, that's the kids' pancake. It's big. I'm so glad I got the kids. Imagine if I got the regular. Bone apple teeth. Low-key, this looks like pita bread instead of pancakes, but I'm gonna go with it. Also, none of us have the energy to open up the maple syrup at this point in the morning, so I might have to throw it and crack it. Just kidding.
Good morning, New York. The weather's so nice today.
Today I'm trying out the bucket hat look. This is my first time ever wearing a bucket hat. Pinterest gave it to me at the event, and I was like, you know, I'm gonna actually try to wear it. And I don't think I look that terrible. I usually don't like bucket hats on people, and I actually made a video like 2 years ago saying bucket hats were such an ugly trend. And look at me now.
Look at her now.
But we'll see if y'all actually like it or not. I think it's kind of cute, but it's definitely making me feel very sporty. Where are we going to eat? Indian food? Why Indian?
Because I want biryani.
Day 5 of wearing this blazer. I love saying that I pack so many things and I end up wearing the same thing every single time.
And my hijab.
I don't know why I don't wear the chiffon more often.
I like it because you don't have to iron it. Like,
I should probably hop on the chiffon
It's
trend
really
at this point. 10 years later. We just got to the restaurant and they said that there is a 15-minute wait, so we're just gonna enjoy the ambiance.
I'm gonna go to Peloton and burn some calories before we eat Indian food.
Where's the Peloton?
Behind you. Some butter chicken.
I think we burned enough calories. We walked so much today, and yesterday we did that killer workout class. So
I'm still
we're negative calories at this point. Funny. So initially we came to New York City, and we were like, we're gonna be such fat asses, and then after the first day of being fat asses, we were like, okay, we're done. And then we
I was like, I need to fit in my
signed up
clothes
for a
now.
workout class in our gym, and yeah, now I'm feeling much better. Yes! It's Suzi. She's in my shirt from Source Unknown with my pants, her sneakers, and my purse. Literally unoriginal from head to toe. That chicken 65. Suzi, if you dare get this on my shirt. Oh, I have hiccups already. I get hiccups when I eat spicy food. I don't know why. Although I love spicy food. We're really in the mood for ice cream, and we want to share one. So we figured we're gonna share this one. Dude, I am lactose intolerant, but we're still going at it. It's the last day.
And this is my ice cream.
You want to eat outside or in the room?
Outside here.
I'm finally done with all of my New York Fashion Week events, and I changed into this sweatshirt with some pants and sneakers, and I'm just finishing up an errand or two before I head to the airport. Carrying my clothes with me right here.